So what's happening with LKCO? The price being consolidating above our support and still squeezing around it. So be careful, guys. This kind of behavior is always happening with the price ready to explode. So ready to explode, because we've been gravitating down and down and down, and there is no price movement. So I know there's a big jump's gonna happen. So we're gonna talk about this in this video, and where we should actually protect ourselves if you're holding or you're swing trading. We're gonna talk about all the strategy. So before we go on the video, bless the like button and join the tribe, Hunter tribe, at Patreon, in the comment section below. We were talking about caution one-on-one if you want to build your strategy and to how to be profitable, and at this way at the same time when you put your stop loss and take a profit, and at the same time Discord channel to discuss the prices pre-market, after market, and during the market, and to be updated daily to hunt for exact price value. So let's get right in the video without BS, without editing, as a trading Jesus always promise you guys. Let's go to the video. So we talked about the price for LKCO. If you new here, we talked about the price that we're gonna see a massive rejection below before the 190 at around the $2. We talk about this price level that we're gonna see a rejection at, and we got it. Then again, I told you we're gonna see again to test for a price around below the $2, and we did it again here after the big news, the good news. Then we got a sell-off, and I told you guys to never trade the news, and that's why we saw this massive sell-off. So again, guys, what's the price will be, because the price been hitting hard, and I told you there's a big possibility that we're gonna see the price go below the $1, but unless we hold above this level, and we're holding the $1.11, and look with me now at $1.15, and yesterday, look with me closely, we tested the $1.13 again, above the $1.11. As I always show you guys, the $1.11 have a big value for the market maker. That's why they test it, and the price been squeezing down, guys. So whenever we test any support, there is a big chance that we're gonna break it. The other way around, if we test a lot of time for resistant level, we're gonna go break it down. So this is like counterintuitive, and the support always, when you test, there's a big chance that we're gonna break the support level. So be careful from this kind of behavior, because we might see a break for this $1.13 by this week. If we did, guys, if we did by any chance went below the $1.11, we're gonna see the price gravitate around the first around the $1, and might even see the 0.90 cent again, a big jump down, because we did it before, and we might see the price go to 0.90 cent again. So be careful from this level, because here below the $1.11 the price will be really volatile the moment we just break from this level, because we trigger a lot of sell limit order and things like this. So a lot of people will put options and bet, and the price will go down, because everybody waiting and testing for the $1.11, as I show you. And any price hold up for this week above this level, guys, will be at least a sign of strength. If we tested the $1.25, and this is the big area of test resistant around the $1.35, because here the moment we go to $1.35 we have our breakout from our exponential average, and at the moment we have the breakout from our exponential average around the $1.25 by this week, we're gonna see an explosion for the price up again. So again, this is a really perfect strategy to trade on. Whenever you have the price concise, really small area, this is a good a trade to take, because you have lower risk. So you could actually bought at $1.15 and you put just stop loss around the $1.10 10, so your stop loss is really low, and or you just take put options and you bought and the price will go down, and if it go down you get really good profit, but if it go up you just put this stop loss at $1.25 and you get out at $1.25, because whenever the price will go up you cut your losses here. So it's always about ask yourself how many you want to risk before you get in, and have a limit of the amount of money that you're willing to lose each day, because if you don't put it's like a limit for how many you'll lose, you actually lose everything and you be emotional and you try to add money, and if you use leverage this is even worse and make you lose money faster. So never use leverage and never add to the losers. Always cut the losers short, even if the price went up. Just admit that you're wrong and take your losses, and this is the best if you want to survive in this kind of market, because everything could happen, guys. And this is a really important level to note. You have to note those prices, guys. And if you have any comment, please ask me in the comment section below. I will be more happy to answer you guys. And this is what we do here. We try to help each other to make to make you profitable as possible and never lose money. That's why that's what the game is about. It's all about surviving and making money. Even if you don't do the trade, it's better the never do a trade than you actually take a trade and you end up losing everything. So just think about this, really important. First, ask yourself how many you willing to risk or to lose at least daily. So if you, let's say, hit 500 by today, you just get out. Just get out. And there's another technique you can do, is the really hardcore, and is like by asking your brokerage to set like a sell limit. Like if you lost 500, your brokerage will shut down your account and you can't do any trade for today. So this is hardcore. I know a lot of traders done it, because this is at the beginning you can control yourself, so you let another person control or do the strategy for you, so it'll make it easier for you to execute your strategy. So let another person, or the brokerage account for this matter, to stop you from trading and cut you and you stop your any trade that you open will be rejected, because you have to sign a contract with your brokerage to do this for you, and this is perfect and save you a lot of time at the beginning. So at the beginning, because you can control yourself because you're a beginner. After 5 years or 4 years of trading and you get used to it, you can actually stop this limitation on your account, and you can be you fly by your own. But at the beginning you need construction, you need discipline, you need to trick your mind that you actually don't have control over this, so you just give it to another person to deal with it. It's like putting sell limit order and buy limit order, is let the application or algorithm work for you, and you don't actually decide when you sell. So this is another thing to play with the strategy and play with your psychology a bit. So guys, if you like the video, blast the like button, and see you in the next update where we hunt for exact price value. And always be patient, guys, and be ready and alert to hunt. See you guys.